Welcome to the Safety Center Dashboard and Orientation Learning Package. The following course will take you through reviewing the dashboard and general navigation. The Safety Center Dashboard outlines how well you or your area of responsibility is complying with a number of your safety and well-being obligations. The top bar of the application allows you to return to the dashboard screen by clicking on the Safety Center logo, add a new record by clicking on Add New, and search for a record using Search. On the right side, you can change to another location you have access to by clicking on your current location, or access your user profile, help, or log out by clicking on the profile icon. The left bar of the Safety Center allows you to navigate into the various functions of the product. The Dashboard button returns you to the dashboard. The Actions button takes you to a list of actions you have access to. The Observe button allows you to access inspections. Manage allows you to access hazards and incidents. Learn gives you access to a knowledge base with instructions on using Safety Center. Monitor gives you access to the safety calendar and reports you are able to view. The first four widgets on the dashboard outline the current status of compliance and critical safety information. These include the number of actions currently outstanding, the overall compliance score based on timeliness of action closeout, the number of hazards which are currently uncontrolled, and the number of days since an incident occurred. The second row of widgets identifies all of the actions that require your attention divided up by the various modules that you have access to. Clicking on these will display the actions register. Over here, a list of interactions on items you have followed within the product. As followed items change, a real trail of updates will appear in following. The third and final row of widgets identifies the current status of critical safety metrics. These include a pie chart of incidents by type, a bar chart of injuries by classification, and a line plot of hazards being reported on days of the month. We will now take a look at a module dashboard. This is a module level dashboard screen. From here you can view a count of the records displayed below, filter the view based on your permissions, download a CSV of what you can see in the table, add a new record by clicking the Add button, filter the records by one of the many columns, and view a list of results based on the filters and your access. Clicking on any of these records opens a record workflow screen view. We will now take a look at the basic navigation of workflow screens. The Record Workflow screen allows you to interact with a logged record. The screen is broken up into three logical columns. The first third of the screen is the Record Management section. From here, you can use the breadcrumb to return to the module dashboard. Click on the Follow button to pin changes to your dashboard, and move the record to the next stage in the workflow and review critical elements from the base record. The second third of the screen allows you to work with subforms. The tabs at the top of the screen each resemble a different type of subform, such as more details, an investigation, and a set of questions or actions that need to be raised. The Edit tab icon opens a submenu, which allows editing of the main record as well as a number of advanced options based on your access level. The final third of the screen allows global functionality to be accessed. This includes the ability to print the record, the ability to relate this record to any other record within the product, the ability to attach a file to the record such as a photo or document, and the ability to leave a comment about this particular record. We will now take a look at navigation in the mobile view. The mobile view utilizes a very similar look and feel to that of the desktop or iPad view. Subtle differences include the dashboard elements appear vertically rather than horizontally, a hamburger icon hides or unhides the left navigation pane, and a callout button hides or unhides the top menu bar from the desktop view. Clicking on the hamburger icon on the left opens up the module menu. Clicking on the callout icon on the right opens up the top menu. Clicking on an item within the top menu opens up a panel with expected options. We will now take a look at the module register and record level views. The functionality for module dashboards and record level view remains the same except for some subtle differences. The filter is not available on a mobile device. Moving across the table requires moving your finger from right to left. Record level view now cascades vertically as opposed to horizontally. Scrolling down with your finger allows you to see additional options. This completes the dashboard and general navigation training for Safety Center. If you have any questions about the content of this training package, please visit the help icon within Safety Center.